Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lentil soup, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of dried lentils, 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, and your favorite aromatic vegetables such as 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Remember to rinse your lentils well before you begin cooking to ensure they are clean and ready for the pot. Preparing your vegetables by chopping them uniformly will help them cook evenly and quickly. Now, let's build the foundation of our soup's flavor. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your finely chopped onions, carrots, and celery. Stir these aromatic vegetables frequently, allowing them to soften and release their wonderful fragrance for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. This step is crucial for developing a rich and savory base for your lentil soup. Next, we'll combine the main components. After your aromatics are soft, stir in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and cook for just about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Then, add your rinsed lentils, 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, and 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, undrained. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and serving. Season your delicious lentil soup with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and any other herbs you enjoy, like a pinch of dried thyme or bay leaf. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings to your preference. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice can brighten the flavors beautifully. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with fresh, chopped parsley or a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil for a perfect meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.